Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on IoTeX. Previously, we have seen that the price line of IoTeX, this was really a very big move from 2 cents to 15 cents, more than 600% move. And this was normal that the price action can move down after such a big move. You can see that this move was in 1, 2, 3, and 4 days, and now we are down at the exponential moving average 10 on the daily time frame. And here we also had a very strong resistance of 7 cents that the price action on the daily time frame has broken out the 7 cents resistance, and now it is also testing the 7 cents resistance as a support on the daily and on the weekly time frame. And let me show you my previous analysis as well. This was the chart that I shared at the Patreon on 4th of July that I also shared in my previous video with you as well. And this was a big formation of the harmonic bullish reversal cipher pattern. And I told my members at the Patreon that from here the price line can start a very big move, because the price line has formed a very perfect bullish harmonic cipher pattern, and this was a low risk trading idea because we were at the end of this buying zone, and this buying zone, the maximum extent of the buying zone, was our stop loss as well. We also had a very nice support of the 50 simple moving average. You can see that the price line was moving at 2 cents, and after playing the chart we can see that the price action rallied up to 15 cents, and now it has moved down. What the price line can do next, if I place this Fibonacci tool here, we can see that from this high to this low, the price line rallied even beyond 1.618 Fibonacci extension. And now, if we again place this Fibonacci tool from this low to this high, then we can see that the price action is now dropped between 0.50 to 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level. So we are moving down to this golden pocket that can be a reversal zone for the price line as well, because we are very close to this golden pocket, and at the same time we are also having this very strong resistance. You can see previously it has been working as a very strong and key level resistance for the price action. And even in this rally on 26th of April, when we had a very bullish rally of Bitcoin in the month of April, the price line was not able to break out this resistance. And now here, currently in the month of August, it has broken out this resistance. Therefore, now this resistance of 7 cents can work as a very strong support. And you can see that we have this support now very close to this 0.618 Fibonacci golden pocket. Therefore, it can be a possible reversal zone for the price line. And if we buy it here by setting this 7 cents or this Fibonacci pocket as our stop loss, that can be a very nice opportunity to take a chance here and buy and hold IOTX for the long term. This is just my opinion, not a financial advice. It is possible that the price action can break down the 7 cent support and it can move to the next support at 5.5 cents. This is 5.5 cent support, and then we have the next support at 3.2, and this is our key level support that I have been telling you in my previous analysis as well, that previously it had been breaking as a very nice support here and as a very nice support here recently. Therefore, it is our key level support, and from here we can have a very powerful reversal. And now if I connect all these wicks of the candlestick, I'm just going to connect all these wicks of the candlesticks from here to here, including this candlestick as well, and this as well. And in this way we can also connect these two candlesticks as well. And now we have found so many confluence points, and now we also have this very strong uptrend line resistance as well. Now the price line needs to break out this resistance of this is the next resistance of 10 cents. If I switch to the daily time frame, then you can see that even though we had the closing above 10 cents, but while moving down and testing this level as a support, the price action failed and moved down to the next support at 7 cents. Therefore, this now 10 cents can be our next resistance, and at the same level we also have this uptrend line resistance as well. So next big move, the price line needs to break out this 10 cents and also this long-term resistance line as well. You can see this resistance is coming back from February 2021, and again we were rejected in March 2021 and again rejected in April 2021 and May 2021 as well. And now recently we have again been rejected by this resistance on 9th of August. On this weekly candlestick that was started on 9th of August, and again rejection we have here on this current candlestick. And this time I'm expecting that the price line can break out this resistance, and the reason is, if I show you the oscillators, here I have placed this stochastic oscillator and the MACD as well. I use simple indicators to keep it simple. I'm not using any complex or paid indicator. Anybody can find these indicators free of cost, available at the different exchanges and on the trading view as well. So the stochastic, previously we can see when we had this rejection, and this rejection, the stochastic at that time was very close to this overbought zone. You can see it was coming from downside, from this oversold zone to the overbought zone when we had this first rejection. Then we had this second rejection in the month of March. At that time, the stochastic was completely oversold. Then we had again another rejection here. The stochastic was completely oversold. Then we had another powerful rejection in the month of April, and this oscillator was moving down from overbought zone. Sorry, this is the overbought zone, not oversold. So from overbought zone to the oversold zone, it was moving down. Now, right now, you can see that while we are having this rejection, the price action has reached here at this resistance. The stochastic is coming from oversold zone and going towards the overbought zone. Therefore, the stochastic or this oscillator can take the price line to upside, and the price line will, if the price line will follow the signals of stochastic like previously it followed here. And when the stochastic was moving down from overbought zone to oversold zone, the price action moved down with the stochastic. Same as like that, this time you can see that the price line is following the signals of the stochastic again. When we receive the buying signal, when this blue line of the stochastic, if it is not visible for you, then I can make it more visible for you and just let me do it for you. Now you can see we received this buying signal here when this blue line crossed up this orange line. That was the buying signal from the oversold zone, and the price action followed the signal and even broke out the exponential moving averages 10 and 21 on the weekly time frame and reached the resistance here and formed another higher than the previous high, that is 10 cents, even though we had the rally up to 15 cents. But this is the resistance we have found here at 10 cents because we have more confluence points here, we have more touches here, and the price action is moving down. And if we take a look at the MACD, then previously when the price line was rejected here, the MACD was turning more and more bearish. Here the MACD was turned bullish, but then we had here the MACD was turned bearish, again bullish, bearish, bullish, bearish, and bullish, and now it was completely turning bullish. And if you watch the moving averages of stochastic, then from here they were moving from oversold zone to the overbought zone, and here the MACD was extremely oversold, and now it was moving down here, and the price action moved down with the signals of this MACD indicator as well. And now the MACD has given us the buying signal. You can see that this blue line of the MACD has crossed up the orange line, and MACD has turned strong bullish. Previously it was turned weak bearish from strong bearish, and the price action found a bottom here, and now it has turned bullish with the MACD. So the price line can follow the signals of the MACD and stochastic. And if we watch the volume oscillator to measure the buying volume, the power of buying volume, then we can see, you can watch the value here. the value of the buying volume was 61.44. More than 10 on the weekly time frame is considered as a powerful buying. So this is just a correction, I believe. And from here, from this golden pocket, the next reversal can be possible. And this time, I believe that the price action can break out this resistance of 10 cents and this resistance of this uptrend line as well. That is a kind of broadening formation as well, and it can form another higher than the previous high. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the video. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also follow me at the Patreon. I have shared the link to join me here in the video's description. Take care. Goodbye.